Hey guys, this is Aaron from Storage Guardian. Today I'll be going over a high-level overview for our Veeam Self-Provisioning Portal. Whether you're an MSP with lots of tenants or a small medium-sized business with multiple tenants, our portal will help you streamline your management and save costs on the quotas for your Veeam workload. This is built with Veeam API and it talks directly to your tenants, and in this portal, you can get access to all your information. So let's log in. Right off the bat, you see our dashboard. It lists your total quota, your total use quota, total insider protection being used, and total available. On the bottom, you see your tenants, what they're using, what their status is like, and what are their licenses. Now, I want to focus here on the licenses. Veeam is a license-based model, so knowing your licenses is imperative because it relay to your cost. All right, so let's go in more details in the clients. Like the dashboard, you see your tenant's detail and you see your tenant's license, and I would like to stress on the warning levels. So Veeam implements a way where if you don't have enough space on your repository, you will not be able to push a backup to your repository. This is done very well, and there's a lot of good reasons for it. But the remnants of this, the result of this, is that people will over provision. You need 1 terabyte, you will provision for 1.2 terabyte. You need 2 terabyte, you will provision for 2.5 terabyte. By putting in a warning level and having different percentage at these levels to be triggered, we address that issue. So in here, we can click on modifying warning level, and we can set warning level 1, warning level 2. When you get to these levels, it will email and send a text to notify you that this level has been hit. Once this level has been hit, what you can do is log into our portal and click modify quota. Here, you can modify the quota that is assigned to this tenant. So we go in increments of 100 gigabyte, which is a very fine increment. Once you have your increase, you will see what the changes in your monthly billing will be. We also have an auto grow quota function, but I'm not gonna go into this in depth. I'll be doing that in another video. In terms of cybersecurity, we have several security features that we implemented. First is the 2FA, and that is enabled in view by tenant. You can enable 2-factor authentication right here. Country code, phone number, you input that in, and that will have a first added layer of security for authentication. Then we move on to modify status. We can log our repository from the dashboard. If you see anything that requires you to investigate your network, you can lock your repository, investigate the network, and then just as easily put your repository back into active. Lastly, we have our insider protection. So, insider protection allows you to have an immutable copy of your data set aside. This is in case of ransomware or malware. Insider protection right here allows for a clean copy of your backup to restore from. You can set the retention period between 1 and 99 days. You can enable it, and you can sleep easy because you know that there's a clean copy of your data in the cloud that is not accessible by anyone except for your service provider, which in this case is Storage Guardian. Going back to the customer menu, we have a white labeling system here where we allow you to customize your logo, your email headers, and your color. And adding a new tenant is very easy. You go in here, you can input your new tenant name. Everything I explained to you could be input right here. And in the global settings, you can enable your auto grow, insider protection, and warning level. So, as I mentioned in the beginning of this video, our portal aimed to make management easy, to have an aggregated dashboard where you can see and configure your tenants. If you want to go deeper into Veeam, if you want to understand Veeam and how to install Veeam on your console, on your server, on your workstation, how to have multiple tenants, how to link everything into our portal, we have local resident expert, Veeam expert, on our team that will be more than happy to assist you, whether you have questions with licenses, whether you have questions with installing, defining retention period, all that can be done by us with our technician. We'll go through this with you. If you want to go deeper into the Veeam Self-Provisioning Portal, please reach out to me. Please reach out to us with your technical questions. Our contact info is in the description below, and I hope to hear from you guys in the future. Stay safe, have a great day, and thank you for watching this video.